Unlock the secrets to starting a profitable cleaning company. Get 500 plus commercial cleaning contacts to jumpstart your business today. Are you ready to take control of your financial future by launching a successful cleaning business? Whether you're new to the cleaning industry or looking to expand your existing business, our comprehensive ebook is your ultimate guide to getting started and generating revenue fast. What's inside? Step-by-step guide. Learn the exact process for starting your own commercial cleaning company, from choosing the right niche to setting up your operations and growing your client base. 500 plus commercial cleaning contacts. Access a curated list of over 500 commercial properties, businesses, and cleaning opportunities ready for service. Your first leads to generate immediate business. Proven marketing strategies. Discover the most effective ways to market your services, build your brand, and attract high-paying clients without breaking the bank. Revenue growth tips. Learn how to scale your business, increase profits, and hire a reliable team to handle expanding contracts. Why choose this ebook? Starting a cleaning business can seem overwhelming, but with the right tools and resources, you can start making money from day one. This guide not only helps you get your business off the ground, but accelerates your success with an extensive list of contacts in the commercial cleaning industry. Don't wait to build the business of your dreams. Take action now and start generating revenue today. Get your copy of How to Start a Cleaning Company with over 500 commercial cleaning contacts and start your journey toward financial independence now. Visit www.verandajohnson.com.